we're on our way to get some coffee, and I guess after that we're gonna head to church and run on down to Academy Sports to look at some kayaks, see if they got any better ones or any better deals down there. They have some at Dunham's. I've already looked at one that I kind of want, but might as well, I guess keep my options available, keep them open. Coffee acquired. Headed back to the house. All right, as you can see, it's 97 degrees outside. It's really hot. It's 1:45. My clock's wrong, but we are officially ready to hit the road. Gotta back out of here and make sure I don't hit anybody. Wish I had like a mount, something to mount this up. Be really nice. With my passenger princess, mi hermosa.
Yeah, yes.
Had to make a quick pit stop and get some ratchet straps. Thankfully my mom has some, because I don't really know why I don't have my own ratchet straps yet, but yeah, thankfully my mom has some. This is going to help with hauling the kayak, because not only do I not have ratchet straps, but I also have a really short 5-foot bed in the back of my truck. It should do right there. Wow, that sandwich was really good. How was your food?
That was
Muy bien.
like 6 from 10.
6 out of 10 from her. I got a chicken sandwich, and yeah, I'll give it a 9.1. Maybe I was just really hungry. It was really good though. It's so hot. We made it to Academy Sports though. Sports and outdoors. My fault. I gotta toss my garbage in the designated receptacle. Also, I gotta look like a weirdo and film inside the store, but we'll get to that later. Come look at the price of this. Too much. That reads way too much. But that's kind of what I'm looking for, something along these lines. It's nice. Comes with all the bells and whistles. It's already got rails mounted that you can hang your paddle off of, or your fishing pole. It's got fishing pole holsters. I mean, I think you could get it all aftermarket a lot cheaper, but it's nice. Honestly, it's really nice. What I'm looking for though is something more like stable. I want something stable. That way when I stand up, I don't fall out into the water. Honestly, that's not a bad price. $400. It's got pretty much what I want. It's kind of got one of those real cheap seats. It's like that bent. but it's got everything else. I can't really read that sticker, but 10-foot fishing kayak. I mean, it's kind of what I want. It's within my price range too. Yeah, I think this would get the job done. I'm gonna ask somebody if they can get it down. I want to actually look at it. Take it, those are just plugs. It's gonna look weird, but I'm gonna sit in it. That could work.
Alright. I'll go grab a flat cart for us. Go roll this thing up to the front.
Alrighty, man. Yeah, I like that one. I'm getting my own ratchet straps. That way I don't have to use my mom's forever. And I'm trying to find some accessories like, I'm not seeing it here, but a leash, like for the paddle. That would be awesome. Obviously they got some really nice waterproof bags here, but they're anywhere from $30 to $60, so I think I'm gonna hold off on that for now. Let's see if I can. I guess I'll get that. That's pretty cool. $4. I think the paddle clip could be really, really nice. But also the paddle is really heavy, so I don't know, it's tough to say. You know what, we'll get it. We'll get the paddle clip if it sucks. Oh well. I found it. We got her in there, boys. Only took 3 ratchet straps, but honestly, turned out looking a lot better than I thought it would. So we finally made it back home, and we got her unloaded. She's a beauty. Nothing too crazy, but it's my first ever kayak. I'm really proud of it. Already ready to get it out on the water, which that's gonna be a minute because 1, it's been 90 degrees lately and it's going to continue being 90 degrees, but 2, I need to get my fishing rods set up because I want to go fishing off of it, and they need to be restrung because I'm pretty sure all of the fishing string in the spool is really old and probably dry rotted or something. We haven't fished with those rods in many years, so you know, I still got some more work to do, but oh, I got a big milestone out of the way. That thing cost me 500 smackaroos. 500 whole frog skins. I'm gonna have to start working some overtime at work to pay for it. Well, I mean, I've already paid for it, but to make up for it. I'm not made out of money, and unfortunately, money doesn't grow on trees. Or at least that's how the old verbiage goes. It's freaking hot. I'm sweating, mi amigo. We got her in there though. In the storage for now. She'll get her flippers wet soon enough. But it's about time for us to head back. Me and my girlfriend are going back to her house, and I am going to attempt to cook a gumbo or some gumbo. I don't know how to word that, but I'm a really bad cook as is. Not that gumbo is a difficult dish, I don't think, but I'm going to attempt to cook something. I gotta get better at cooking. I'm 29 and I don't know how to cook, so stay tuned for that. We just got back home. I'm pooped, so I think I'm gonna take a quick nap, and then we will cook the gumbo. Okay, so I woke up from my nap, felt a little bit better, and gotta make a last minute trip to Walmart because we realized that we can't find a measuring cup. Oh man, I never come to the cooking section. I have no idea where a measuring cup would be. Let's see, mixing bowls, kitchen towels, yeah. It's gotta be here, right? Oh, I called it. That's perfect. But luckily they're welded together. Okay, there we go. That will do. And just like that, in and out. Measuring cup acquired. Okay, we are officially ready to start on the gumbo. I think we got everything. I looked up this recipe online and I watched a couple of people cook it. So, gonna wing it. We got the Holy Trinity, of course, as it's referred to. Bell pepper, celery, onion. We got some parsley. Garlic's already sliced up, along with the sausage, chicken stock, all-purpose flour, I'm assuming to thicken it up. And we got some chicken thighs in the fridge. So yeah, we're about to get started. This is a good knife. It's really sharp. Need more? I think this is how. I think so. Oh, let me get my celery out of the way. Pretty sure this is how. I'm gonna end up cutting myself. I'm good. Oh, shucks. Nah, it's not gonna matter, right? We can get all that off anyways.
Be careful.
Yep.
Okay, just take one day and I will say.
Half a cup of oil. Okay, we got the flour added.
Okay.
Nice and thick.
Okay.
Gonna go ahead and dump in the peppers, onions, and celery. It's a lot more onion than pepper. Yep, things are looking better. It's actually clumped up and thick. So, yeah. YouTube, don't fail me. Alright, chicken broth is going in. Okay, I think the gumbo is about done. It could be a little darker, but I think it's dark enough. It's nice and thick. Things coming along nice, seasoned, cooked, ready to dig into it. That's good. Pretty good. Oh. Oh. Oh man, today's been an eventful day, but the gumbo turned out better than I thought it would. It was mine and her first time eating and cooking gumbo. I'm sure if I messed it up, somebody will let me know in the comments. I know for a fact that I messed it up. From all of the videos I saw and stuff, it did not look quite like that, but oh well. Anyways, I'm about to hop off here and probably take a shower and then go to bed, but I promise these vlogs will get better. I plan on doing some outdoor stuff, especially now that I got my kayak. I just need to get the fishing pole going, get some off days, and scout out some good campsites, and definitely learn how to cook, because when I'm out there camping, I'm gonna have to learn how to cook anyways. But yeah, that's pretty much it. See ya.